Hey tribe, what it do? It's your girl, Keep It Key, back at the building. I know, I missed you guys so much, but we in this. We here now. We gonna do this, okay? But if you're new here and it's your first time, hello, welcome. Guess what, y'all? Make sure you subscribe to join the tribe because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you wanna be. Okay, so today's video, you guessed it, y'all, is about this hair right here. Who doesn't love a nice good up wet look, honey? And let me tell you, this was effortless, boop bop beep, done in 5 minutes. Not 5, but you know what I mean. I didn't even have to bother with like bleaching my knots or any of that stuff. So this was fresh out the pack, y'all, and we just did it up. So let's go back into time to when I first took the wig out the package. So first came out the pack, it was beautiful, was loving the curl pattern. Me and my girl were just like, ooh, that's who I'm talking to every time I look back. We were like, ooh girl, this pattern is looking delicious. And the hair is from tunefulhair.com. It's a lace front wig, so in the back we've got our rose, we've got our clip at the bottom, we've got lots of lace in the front, and 2 clips on the side for skirty. And hallelujah, the hairline comes pre-plucked, so you know that means they ain't gotta do too much work. Hallelujah, y'all. Hallelujah. So I threw her on to get an idea what she was looking like, what she was working with, without any customization, without anything. Fresh out the curly Sue packet. Ooh, honey. Oh, Lord. So then I slid her back, and now I'm just applying my foundation. This is a nice lazy tutorial, you guys. So I'm just applying the foundation just to the middle top part because that's the part that matters the most, because I'm going to be doing a middle part section, so we don't have to worry about the rest because that we ain't messing with that right now. You know what I'm saying? We want quick, easy breezy cover girl. All right, so blended that in, shifted her forward. I kind of wants to play around with the part, so you see it already kind of has a middle part, but we gonna clean it up a little bit, tweeze that bad boy, and make her look just a little more natural. So we gonna let the beat drop and y'all can watch the transformation process. Okay, so let me explain this part. So at the front of the hair, I take these 2 triangle-shaped sections at the very front, and what I'm going to do is create a little secret ponytail that goes behind my head. Now, I usually do this obviously with a black elastic band, but your girl didn't have one, and I really love using like a thicker elastic band, and I didn't have the type of hair tie I wanted either, so mine was purple. And then I like to take out the little sideburn parts to basically create this like tucked behind the ear look, just so that the hair is not like falling directly into your face, and it kind of keeps the hair out of your face, out of the way, keeps it kind of slick looking and looks like you tucked the hair behind your ears, but you didn't actually. And I love doing this when I do wet looks or wear hair that's like super straight. And I have to say, guys, this hair was pretty easy to maintain and manage and, you know, get the curls looking right and popping. I just used a bit of water with a little bit of body coconut oil and then a bit of the spritz on top, and that was it. And there you have it, a super easy look done in like, what, 10 minutes. You didn't have to pluck too much. We didn't have to bleach our knots, y'all, okay? And we didn't have to worry about hot styling or any of that stuff. This is a look that I think is honestly good for any occasion. Your holiday parties coming up, birthdays, vacations, whatever it is, you're sort of ready for any occasion in a short amount of time, y'all. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to be. Okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!
whispered that she don't drink. Said the sheet rolling, hope I don't think.